Alright, welcome back, box breakers and pack rippers. We're having a little technical difficulties. Hopefully this is working now. So we're live with Joe at the card shop, Arizona Trading Cards and Collectibles. We started the last video and then something happened with our battery, so we'll show you what you missed. Not very much. We opened one of these 2017 Absolute Football cards from the dollar store. You get 5 cards per pack. We opened one pack so far, and we got Gronk and Frank Gore. So, and then the other 3 cards, I don't know what we got. Then we started to open this pack, and we got cut off. Anyway, if you haven't seen the last video, go back and check that out. Go on Facebook and hit the like button on Arizona Trading Cards and Collectibles. That's Joe's page, and if you're in town, stop in and see him. If you've got sports memorabilia or autograph stuff that needs certified, any non-sports stuff like Magic, Yu-Gi-Oh, Pokemon, and Dragon Ball, stop in and see him for that too. On Friday nights they do. Every other Friday they play Yu-Gi-Oh, and then the opposite Friday it's Pokemon, or maybe Monday is Pokemon, but Monday and Friday are the game nights around here. Alright, so we got Marshawn Lynch and Alex Smith out of that pack. Not too bad for only having 5 cards in it. Okay, this one feels a little bit fatter, so maybe we'll get lucky and get a jersey card out of the dollar store. That's kind of why we're doing this. We want to see if there's, well, 2 reasons. Because Joe got a good deal on the cards, so we got a good deal on the cards, and I wanted to know if there's anything good coming out of the dollar store. Alright, here's the Kid Reporter thing. If you want that code, first come first serve, there it is. We actually have 2 of those. Here's the other one. I don't know if you get one in every pack or not, but anyway, feel free to utilize those codes if you want to be a Kid Reporter. There's your chance. Ooh, there's Richard Sherman. The guy came in earlier today, was talking about this thug named Richard Sherman. Andy Dalton, Randall Cobb. These Absolute cards are pretty nice, even though you only get 5. We did a video quite a while ago with the Absolute cards. I think we had some packs we'd gotten from Target and pulled out some decent cards out of there. So I remember the Kid Reporter thing. Matthew Stafford. Not too much in there. So yeah, that's the worst part about these cards, is opening the packs. In the last video we did those jumbo packs. The 2018 score. Not having to rip quite so much. Alright, there's another Kid Reporter. Full focus. There you go. Alright, Larry Fitzgerald. Joe Flacco. Kirk Cousins, Cam Newton. I feel like they tried to put a good pack together there. I don't really know if they do that at the factory or not, but it seems like it. Every once in a while we'll get on a Hall of Fame pack. Anytime there's 3 or more Hall of Famers in a pack, I call that a Hall of Fame, but it seems like they run in bunches. Alright, what's this? Enjoy 18% off your order. Alright, somebody's going to want that. Use promo code at checkout. You can use that promo code if you want. There you go. Alright. Sam Bradford. It's the only guy I've heard of out of there. Cool cards though. Yeah, so if you're interested in opening these packs of cards, you can click on the affiliate link below. It should take you right to Amazon. You can buy whatever you want. Help us out. Alright, there's your Kid Reporter. Clay Matthews, heard of him. Des Bryant. Eddie Lacy. Ben Roethlisberger. Pretty good pack. 4 out of the 5 people I've heard of anyway. Le'Veon Bell, refer to him. That'll go to our Steelers fan. Greg Olsen, Matthew Stafford again. Alright, we got 2 of these 2017 Absolute packs left. Here's another coupon for 18% off. Check it out. Pause that and take that code down if you want. If you already used the other one, you can be a hog and use that one too, or leave it for someone else. Alright, Ryan Tannehill, refer to him. Richard Sherman again, Aaron Rodgers, and Jared Goff. So I think once again they tried to put together a good pack, but look at the upper left corner on that. Can you see that? Yeah, you can see that. The light is catching off of it like a little ramp. Anyway, we're always on the lookout for PSA 10 worthy cards, but that would, all of these are all messed up. So we'll do giveaways on anybody that wants Ryan Tannehill, Richard Sherman, Aaron Rodgers. We'll probably give to the Packers fan, Jared Goff, the other guy I've never heard of, Brandon Marshall. If you want any of those, let us hear about it. We'll send it right out. Alright, last pack of this type anyway, and then we'll move on to some of the other ones. We're just going to see how many packs we can get through in our time limit here. Matthew Stafford. They really like Matthew Stafford at the dollar store. Alright, I guess we'll save the Prestige for last, because those tend to be better, and we have more of the Score. So 2017 Score, NFL football, 6 cards per pack from the dollar store. If you want a whole box, though, we'll put a link somewhere where you can get more than just 6 cards at a time. Adrian Peterson. Yeah, so these kind of look like garbage. All garbage. Dak Prescott. He's on the cover. He's on the cover of like every. Look at this. He's on the cover of 2017 Score, 2018 Prestige, 2017 Absolute. I mean, looks like everybody went all in on Dak. There he is. Cool. We'll put a sleeve on him. Nobody else. Garbage. I always wondered how they sold cards at the dollar store with cards being as expensive as they are, and it all made sense when I saw there's only 5 cards in there of 6 cards. Jordy Nelson. Heard of him. Kind of a junk pack there. There's your Kid Reporter if you want. There it is. Next. More Kid Reporter. Kirk Cousins. Eddie Lacy, heard of him. Kareem Hunt, rookie card. Alright, we're still looking for an insert card from the dollar store. So far I'm thinking, I mean, we still got a lot of packs to go, but maybe been better off just buying a hobby box and get some guaranteed hits. I'm not sure what the odds would be from the dollar store, but I imagine they're pretty low. Let's see if it says on here. No purchase necessary. Yep. Kid Reporter. No purchase necessary. Yeah, I'm not sure. Carson Palmer, heard of him. Yeah, I think Arizona traded him away for Sam Bradford, right? I think. Alright, last pack of our 2017 score. Here's your Kid Reporter. There you go. LaShawn McCoy, heard of him. And Jeremy Sprinkle. Never heard of. Alright. Oh, so we got three. One 2017 Prestige and one 2018 Prestige. We'll do 2017 and then 2018. We'll put links for each year for you below. Like I said, if you click on that and do your shopping, that'll help our channel out. Mark Ingram, Antonio Gates, refer to him. There's a Steeler card. Alright, last two of these. I think we're just going to do a whole video for, we have so many of these Donruss. I think we're going to have to do a special video just for that. Khalil Mack. Matt Ryan. I watched that guy lose the Super Bowl. Matt Ryan. I think it's great. I think the Patriots for their Super Bowl ring, I forget, they put something on their ring, like the score at halftime, or so, I don't know what it was. Anyway, it made all of the Dirty Birds get really, really sad. Their feelings got hurt because they lost themselves the Super Bowl. Man, Matt Ryan lost. Crybaby. Matt Ryan, if you just would have not lost to Brady, you wouldn't have. You could put whatever you want on your ring. I don't know how you guys did that, but when I was watching it, it seemed like you guys were gonna lose, and I wasn't surprised when Brady came back. He just had the more desire to win, I guess, or knew how to deflate the balls just right or something. Anyway, that's the end of those football cards. We got some NBA hoops. We got Donruss basketball. We got complete. So we'll do that. Oh, we have one hiding in here. 2016. Let's just do that one right now. 2016 Donruss NFL. We won't share the Kid Reporter, or I mean we can share the Kid Reporter, but I'm positive it's expired by now. Ugh. Is this supposed to be like this? There's like all sprinkles. Is that normal? Looks like it is. I'm not sure. Alright, somehow they put Barry Sanders in here. They must have done some sort of tribute or something for him. That's pretty cool. 2016, Chris Moore, rated rookie. Never heard of him. Robert Woods. Don't know. So yeah, we got baseball to go. We got NBA to go. More baseball to go, and then we got a ton of these football ones. So by the time we open up all of these, if we don't have some sort of insert card, we'll know that we never want to buy dollar store packs again. But if we start hitting them, maybe we start shopping at the dollar store. I don't know. Probably not. I don't think I would pay full price. It's just because Joe got a good deal here, and he always passes the savings along. Like this guy came in earlier today and was trying to sell some action figures, Marshawn Lynch, and a couple other Seattle people, but he saw the Rock'em Sock'em robots, and anyway, it's marked for $10, and the guy couldn't believe it. And it's just because if they get it cheap here, they give it out cheap. So anyway, keep that in mind if you're looking for collectible stuff like that, non-sports stuff, or if you have things that you need graded or certified signatures. They do all of that here at Arizona Trading Cards and Collectibles. Check them out on Facebook. We'll be right back with another live episode from the card shop, and we're going to pick between baseball, basketball, and football. See you soon. Thanks.